Hello friends, welcome to Twin Sisters Country Cooking Channel. Today I want to make ravioli with some vegetables and bruschetta using the French bread that we made a few weeks ago. So I want to cook this. This is ravioli with spinach and mozzarella cheese. So we'll cook this as per the package directions. I'm going to saute up some vegetables that I have, kind of a stir fry type of a vegetable. And then we'll make some bruschetta, and also there's a sauce with this recipe that I'm using, and it will go over everything. So let's get started. Okay, folks, now it's the most favorite part of the video, and that is to try it. Never had raviolis unless you buy them out of a can. And that's when my children were little. Okay, so here we go. Oh, that's good. Spinach, cheese, and of course the vegetables that I put in it. We sauteed the vegetables. I love vegetables. And then we have our bruschetta, which I'm not going to try because I'll have it with lunch. But that was good. It was worth the effort. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you could, hit that like button, ring the bell, and subscribe. It really helps us out. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you next video. Bye-bye.